Hi guys! Several months ago I received a gift from one awesome person and the best player, and this gift flew to me from another side of the earth. This is Gibson SG. It's a very nice little bass. It's a short scale one. It has flat wound strings at the moment and it's perfect for playing jazz. It has a very warm and round sound, and I love the transitions between the notes, especially you can do glissando sometimes. And it sounds very smooth, like on the double bass. Unfortunately, I didn't play this bass very often because it didn't have a strap and no Straplocks, and I didn't have a proper cable for this one. Look, this cable sticks out and this is not very comfortable for me to play. So I decided to have a little bit of upgrade for this guy. I'm going to start with setting up the Straplocks. Why do I even need Straplocks? First, I just don't want the bass to fall down and break itself. Second, I don't want it to break my toe. And the third thing, sometimes I don't want to be holding the bass with my fretting hand, controlling it all the time. I want to let it go and clap my hands during the gig, for example, and the bass will still be secured. It doesn't have to be this design, they might look different, but they just need to do what they are supposed to do. This is all. First, I will undo these screws. The Straplocks look like this. They have a button, you need to pull it, not push but pull, and they are undone this way, and then you can just put it back if you want. So this little thing goes into the bass. Nice and tight. Now this is the new strap I bought for this bass. I'm not advertising the brand. I'm going to install the Straplocks on it. First I need to undo this little ring here, because this ring is going to press the strap between these metal parts. And I'm putting this thing right here in my strap, through the hole. And I'm putting the ring on again, so that the strap is secured between the metal parts. Nice and tight again. Now what I do, I pull this button up, put the locker here and let it go, and the strap is secured on my bass. Now my bass is safe, at least on one side. I'm going to repeat it with another end of this strap. And now let's have a look at how it works. Of course, I need to adjust the strap. Feels good. Now I can sit with it, and I can stand with it, and it doesn't change its position. And I have one more little gift for this nice guy, a new cable. Ta-da! It looks so much better now. Now let's see it in action. So now I'm free to sit and play. I can stand. And this instrument is finally ready to jazz with me. There were just three little things I needed to adjust. Put the Straplocks and the good strap and a more convenient cable. All three of them make difference for me, and I think now I improved and increased the playability of this little guy. I'm afraid you will have to watch it more often in my videos now. Thank you again to that wonderful person who donated me this instrument. It's going to have its life and it's going to sound. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my content, you can buy me a coffee. The link for that is down below in the description, and you can check out the other links there if you want. See you next time. Happy grooving!